So I learned to juggle at a juggling club organized by a math professor at Cal State Long Beach. And I could never even consider that someone as uncoordinated as myself could learn juggling until I saw a bunch of math geeks doing it. And they said the secret was to have two separate parabolas contained in the same plane. That's literally how I learned to juggle. There's different ways. The way I was learned was the idea of parabolas. So first thing I was taught was just basically keep a nice even parabola. Toss it from one hand to the other. And then that was the simple part. Then it was the idea that you toss one and the other went underneath, but in the same arc. That's the big thing, is that every toss in juggling is the same arc. So there's lots of how to juggling videos, but I'm not sure how many are mathematically themed, and this is what worked for me. So the idea is that you toss one up and then the other underneath, and it's always the same parabola, or as much as possible, given that, we're not machines. And that's you can do this for as long as you feel like doing. And then the third one is the same idea, that each throw is one underneath the other and trying to keep the same arc every time. There's just one in the air, but still the same idea. One's coming up, and as it's coming up, underneath it, the same parabola. It's not about catching, it's about throwing. That's the secret of juggling. And of course, the whole idea is it's two separate parabolas contained in the same plane. And of course, what do you get when you combine an elephant and a rhino? Elephino.